Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of the Porsche 911 rear spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-security products and service. Bloxsport active cooling Porsche 911 rear spacer have a four pattern active cooling design. The Bloxsport active cooling Porsche 911 rear spacers are designed with heat restriction grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the rear spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS Porsche 911 rear spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two type materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 60626, the other is aluminum alloy 60726. The 60626 for daily driving, and the 60726 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving, and match ISO grade 10 like that, as well as ISO grade 12.9 wheelbolt, and the matching inside like a nut use particular material by continuously forging process. The matching wheelbolt use SCM 440 steel material. BONOSS has over 66 FGS anti-weight test report. Also, BONOSS provide OEM modem service and customization service. We can customize the wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. And you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm and PCDCB composition. BONOSS have a complete Porsche 911 rear spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have tried supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. BONOSS Porsche 911 rear spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives us peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the Porsche 911 rear spacers and make the rear spacer safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same passion for cars, we think that using high performance cars can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS, full partial view.